The drone revolution isn't coming. It's already here. A dawn horizon. A drone rises silently over a mist-covered valley. Its rotors hum like the heartbeat of a new industry. In 2025, the sound of these blades is no longer just a hobbyist's dream. It's the rhythm of a growing workforce. Across construction sites, film sets, farms, and defense corridors, drones are changing how the world works. Once symbols of recreation, they have become tools of transformation. And behind every drone flight is a human story. This is the world of drone careers. 10 jobs that are redefining the future of work, one flight at a time. 1. The certified drone pilot. It begins with the hands on the controller. The certified drone pilot, trained, licensed, and precise, is the foundation of the drone economy. These pilots conduct aerial inspections of bridges and pipelines, film cinematic landscapes, and support search and rescue operations. Each mission follows strict aviation protocols, flight plans, weather checks, and airspace authorization. In the United States, they hold the FAA Part 107 license. In other countries, similar credentials apply. They are the eyes in the sky, turning data into decisions, beauty into broadcast, and movement into meaning. 2. The mapping specialist. Beneath the surface of every smart city and engineering project lies a layer of drone data. Mapping specialists pilot drones equipped with high-resolution cameras or LiDAR sensors, transforming aerial images into 3D digital twins of the world. From mining operations in Australia to flood risk mapping in Malaysia, these professionals are the new cartographers, combining geography, math, and machine learning. Their work builds roads, designs cities, and even helps first responders navigate disaster zones. What once required helicopters and weeks of labor can now be done in hours, precise, cost-efficient, and environmentally friendly. 3. The safety and compliance inspector. For every flight that takes off, someone ensures it is safe. The drone safety inspector stands between innovation and regulation. These professionals review flight logs, maintain airworthiness records, and investigate incidents. They ensure that every drone in the sky follows aviation law, from altitude limits to communication protocols. In a world where the sky is getting busier by the day, their vigilance protects both pilots and the public. They are, quite literally, the guardians of the airspace. 4. The BVLOS OS engineer. If the pilots are the hands, the BVLOS OS, beyond visual line of sight, engineers are the brains of the operation. They design systems that let drones fly farther, beyond what human eyes can see. Their work connects drones to satellite networks, radar systems, and artificial intelligence that can detect and avoid obstacles autonomously. Inside research hubs like the New York UAS test site, these engineers are creating the framework for drone delivery corridors and nationwide drone highways. The future they're building is one where drones deliver medicine, inspect pipelines, and respond to disasters, all without a pilot in sight. 5. The aerial cinematographer. From blockbuster films to travel documentaries, the aerial cinematographer gives audiences the power to see the world from heaven's view. Armed with cinema-grade drones like the DJI Inspire 3 or FPV racing rigs, they choreograph motion in the sky. Each flight is a dance of precision, timing, lighting, and composition in perfect sync. Their footage captures not just scenery but emotion. When a drone glides through the clouds above a mountain or follows a speeding car down an empty road, it's storytelling powered by flight. They are the dreamers who turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, one breathtaking shot at a time. 6. The infrastructure inspection specialist. Far from the glamour of film sets, drones are saving lives and millions of dollars through infrastructure inspection. Bridges, power lines, wind turbines, and skyscrapers all need constant monitoring. Inspection specialists deploy drones fitted with zoom and thermal cameras to detect cracks, corrosion, and heat anomalies invisible to the naked eye. Their reports guide engineers and prevent catastrophic failures. In countries pushing renewable energy and urban development, these professionals are indispensable. Quiet heroes who keep our cities standing tall. 7. The agricultural drone analyst. Beyond concrete and steel lies another frontier, the fields. The agricultural drone analyst brings technology to the soil. Using drones that scan crops with multispectral and thermal sensors, they help farmers monitor plant health, irrigation levels, and pest activity. Each flight produces data that reveals where the land is thirsty, where growth is weak, and where harvest potential lies. In Asia and Africa, agricultural drones are transforming small farms into data-driven enterprises, boosting yields while conserving resources. It's farming guided not by guesswork, but by algorithms and altitude. 8. The security and defense operator. In a world facing complex threats, drones are redefining surveillance and defense. Security and defense operators use them to patrol borders, protect stadiums, and monitor large-scale events. At the same time, the rise of anti-drone technology, radar, jammers, and intercept systems has created an entire counter-drone sector. Companies like Anduril, Shield AI, and Teledyne FLIR employ teams of operators who train systems to detect and neutralize rogue aircraft. It's a technological chess game in the sky, one that demands precision, ethics, and constant innovation. 9. The drone instructor. Every great pilot begins with a teacher. Drone instructors guide the next generation through the fundamentals of flight, airspace theory, flight control, and safety ethics. Whether at private academies or university programs, they translate complex technology into real-world skills. Many have decades of aviation experience. Others are young pilots turned mentors. They stand at the intersection of knowledge and inspiration, proving that teaching can be as transformative as flying itself. 10. The systems integration engineer. Finally, the most hidden yet crucial role, the drone systems integration engineer. These engineers build the drones of tomorrow, assembling sensors, communication links, and AI modules into cohesive flying machines. They ensure that a thermal camera can talk to a flight controller, that data can stream in real time, and that the aircraft can execute its mission autonomously. Inside labs and startup workshops, they fuse robotics, coding, and aerodynamics into one seamless design. Without them, the entire ecosystem would fall apart. The orchestra needs its conductor. The global drone market is projected to exceed $90 billion by 2030. But the real story isn't in the numbers, it's in the people. Every flight path, every 3D map, every rescued life begins with someone who chose to learn, build, and fly. In the 2020s, drones stopped being gadgets and became gateways to opportunity, sustainability, and imagination. The sky has never been this open, and it's hiring. At AE Drone Academy, we believe that education is the runway to this new frontier. Whether you dream of flying cinematics, coding AI flight paths, or designing autonomous fleets, the future is waiting above the horizon. Look up. Your next job might just be in the clouds.